If you create content for the health space, and I mean any health space, I want to hear from you. I'm inviting new members into my affiliate program. I've created one of the most comprehensive science-backed nutrition and mindset weight loss programs on the market. And I'm looking for affiliate partners who want to grow with me. And here's the thing. You don't need a massive following. We all start somewhere, right? No matter where your audience is, if they care about lasting weight loss, nutrition, and good health, and even weight loss injections, this is for you. And I'd like you to apply. I've created my affiliate program in exactly the same way that I built my weight loss program, with everything I want as an affiliate partner. That's why I offer reoccurring payments with generous commissions every single month, a 1-year cookie so you never miss out, and you also get paid for any additional products that any of your customers might buy, no matter when they buy them. Applications are open, but I do review every applicant because I want genuine partners, not spammers with a link. If this sounds interesting to you, head to the link below and apply today. Or if this sounds like something your friend might like, send it to them. It might be exactly what they're looking for. And let's do great things together.